Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last week I ordered something for my son from Amazon. You can already see it in the background. It just got delivered yesterday. And so today I'm going to be unboxing it, and unboxing is not the right word. I'm just going to be fixing and putting it together. It's called Baby Einstein Neptune's Junior Discovery Jumper. It's for kids who are starting to, kind of stand and probably help them support themselves and build stronger legs and stuff like that. So yeah, we're going to see how it goes and whether my son likes it or not. He's right here sitting on my lap right now because every time I kept him in his swing, he would start crying. So I have no option but to shoot this video with this little boy. Okay, so this is what it is. I'm hoping that it's going to be really nice and cute. You can see all these are all the toys that are detachable. So you can actually pull them out and play with them. And it helps him stand. It does not have any wheels, so it's stationary. And he can use it till he becomes 11 kg. So I'm assuming at least for till he becomes 1 year old, 12 months is how long he can use it. So it's hopefully going to be quite helpful for a very long time. Let's just start opening this up and I'm going to show you guys what it turns out to be like. So I've kept these main things down, and here's the instruction booklet. Let's see how I fix it. So I've taken the cap off of both the sides. Here these are caps in my hand. And then it has a small hole under it. And this thing has to fit inside that hole. Ta-da! I did it. The base is formed. It was quite easy, I suppose. Maybe this was the easiest part. Who knows? This goes on top of this like that. Okay, this looks cool. Nice. So this is a better way to do it. Get the thing out and then do it. Mama ni banawलं. this is the final result. I have managed to fix this and I am so proud of it. यार पहली बार ऐसी कोई चीज मैंने put something together for the first time like this. I'm really proud of it and it's perfect.